Hi, in this video, I will tell you how to connect any platform with ProductDyno using Pabbly. You must ensure the platform you want to integrate already has Pabbly integration. Now, to connect your platform, select Global Integrations from the right side menu. Click on Others Integrations. Click Connect on the Pabbly, and you will redirect to the Pabbly integration page. Click on the button Connect ProductDyno for free. Note, if you have not logged into your Zapier account yet, you may ask for your ID and password to log in first. Click on Access Now on Pabbly Connect. Once you click the button, you will be redirected to the Pabbly Connect homepage. Before we begin, to better understand how this will work, you need to know what you want to do and what you want to connect. For example, I want to add a member to my Google Sheet anytime a new member is created for my product. I am using Google Sheets to connect with ProductDyno just for the sake of this video. You can add anyone. On your Pabbly homepage, click on the Create Workflow button, name your workflow, and click Create button. Search for the ProductDyno app, and select it. Select Configure Webhook as a trigger event, and you will get the webhook URL. Copy the URL and follow the action steps below. Log into your ProductDyno account. Click on Products from the right side menu. Click on Manage on the product that you want to connect. Then, click on the integration, and select Webhook from the tabs. Click on Add Webhook button, paste the URL and click Send Test Data Link. When you see you have successfully received data in the Pabbly account, go back to ProductDyno and click the Save button. You successfully connect Pabbly with ProductDyno using Pabbly Webhook. Now, every time you create a member inside this product, this Pabbly Webhook will send your member data to Pabbly. Let's continue connecting the platform. I want to connect with my ProductDyno account. Search for the platform. In my case, it's Google Sheets. You can search for your one. Select your action. I want to add a row in Google Sheets to send data, and click the Connect button. As these few steps may vary from platform to platform, you may be asked for login credentials to connect your account. Likewise, I need to connect my Google Sheets account. And then select Sheets. Select every field, and you'll see the member data from ProductDyno. Select the data according to your need. And in the end, click the Save and Send Test Request button to see your workflow is working or not. Here is a sheet, and you'll see the member's data, which means your workflow is working correctly. Go back to Pabbly and click the Save button, and you're done. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the following video.